Day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas DIYs. And today I'm showing you how to turn everyday recycled boxes into chic gift boxes decor. These look expensive, but they're super budget friendly and easy to make. Let me show you how. I wanted my holiday gift decor to feel cohesive and stylish this year, but I didn't want to spend a fortune on expensive wrapping paper. Instead, I decided to use a neutral wrapping paper, ribbon, and boxes I already had at home. This is a sustainable way to create gift boxes decor, and it's perfect for decorating under the tree or any holiday setup. Plus, it's a great way to reuse things you'd normally throw away. For this project, I used neutral wrapping paper, almost white, to fit my decor, recycled boxes I already had at home, ribbon and black velvet, light tan, and worn out brown for a modern touch, and tape. That's all you need to make these chic gift boxes. My goal was to create gift boxes that feel luxurious and cohesive while sticking to a neutral color palette. I'll wrap the boxes like traditional gifts and add simple, elegant details like beautiful ribbons. First, I prepped my recycled boxes by removing any tape or labels to create a smooth surface. Then, I cut my wrapping paper to size and carefully wrapped each box, securing it with tape. For a polished look, I folded the edges tightly and made sure all the seams were clean. This is key to making recycled boxes look high-end. The biggest challenge was keeping the wrapping paper from creasing on the recycled boxes, especially on uneven edges. But with a little patience and some careful folding, I was able to make them look smooth and professional.
No way.
Once the boxes were wrapped, I added my ribbons. I chose black velvet, light tan, and worn out brown for a modern, neutral vibe that matches the rest of my decor. I chose black velvet, light tan, and worn out brown for a modern, neutral vibe that matches the rest of my decor. To finish, I tied simple bows for a festive touch. The result? Beautifully wrapped gifts that look like they belong in a designer holiday catalog. In the end, these recycled gift boxes turned out even better than I imagined. They're budget-friendly, sustainable, and perfect for decorating under the tree. This project reminded me that you don't need expensive materials to create something beautiful. Sometimes you just need a little creativity and things you already have at home. Thanks for watching day 3 of my 12 days of Christmas DIYs. Tomorrow, I'll show you how to make adorable mini wreaths for your kitchen cabinets. See you there.